Hey everybody. Well, the first big rain of the fall is finally here. And you outdoors people know that's something we've been desperately waiting for. So when that happens, it is time to drop everything and get outdoors. As you know, I am not one to miss an opportunity to have the time of my life. There's a little something. Yeah, I got a little something on there. Woo! Where are you going? Going around the horn. Well, for the moment. Bad, a little 5-6 pounder. I didn't think I was done yet. That is gonna ruin my hook. Yes! Alright, bud. Let's get you going. Whoa! Hey, see you later. Wild one. Boy, that guy got tangled up. Oh, what do we got here? Hot dog. What do we have? Ah, another jack? Nope, we got us a bass. Nice bass. Oh yeah. That's a good bass. That'd be a good eater. If I was craving bass right now. That's not what we're here for today. Take it easy, friend. Oh, hot dog. Oh, that was a pretty long dry spell. Oh. Ooh! Wild! Oh yeah! Oh, is there anything better than this? I love this. Woo! Oh yeah! This is what life is all about. Oh, this? and developing long-lasting and meaningful relationships, self-introspection, and personal growth. But yeah, this is good too, though. Oh, buddy. Wait a minute. Nah, almost thought I had a keeper there for just a moment. Need the other hook. Need that other hook. Good. Break the line now. There we go. There we go. Let's help him out. See ya. Woohoo! Oh! Hot dog. Whoa! Oh, he's under me! Hey, he's on me! He's on me! Oh my! He's a maniac! It's in my lap. Okay. Well. Oh yeah, that's a crazy fish. This guy wants a piece of me. Oh my. Unbelievable. That crazy fish jumped on my lure. It's not actually in the mouth. It's in the side of the face. Okay. Oh, I wish he'd roll over, bud. There we go. I kind of wish he'd just spit it. There. Easy release. Mama don't feed me peas. Ah, look at that one go. Oh! That's a chromie. Well. That's a chunky one. It's coming over to you. It's gonna jump in your lap. Oh, what a chunk. Oh, wow. I got her head up now. really? Look at there. What a beauty. Chrome bright. Now we're talking. Oh, yeah. Come on in here, bud. Make this simple. One. Oh. Well, that second hook should come out nice and easy. If I get it up here. There we go. 10-pounder. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. You gotta get out here and have the time of your life. See you, bud.